Good day. So, the question is, what is your personal stand on ethics and why do you think ethics is important in your daily life as a student? So my personal stand on ethics is that it's super important to me, or it's very important to always try to do the right thing, even it's very hard. And I believe being honest, fair, and respectful in all my interactions. Because as a student, ethics matters every single day. For example, when I'm working on group projects, it means pulling my pulling my weight and not letting my teammates do all the work. And it also means being honest about my contributions and giving credit where it's due. And also in exams, it means not cheating or looking at other people's answer even I'm feeling stressed. Ethics also plays a big role in how I treat my classmates, instructors, or teachers. It means being respectful of their opinions, even if I I don't agree with them, and being kind and supportive. By living ethically, I can build trust, maintain good relationships, and create a positive learning environment for myself and everyone around me. Plus, it just feels good to know what I am doing my best to be a good person. In the end, uh, I think ethics is really important because it helps us build good friendships, make school a better place, and become a better person. When I act ethically, I feel I feel good about it, about myself and the choices I make. It's not always easy, but it's always worth it. Additionally, ethics is about always trying to do the right thing. It means being honest, fair, and kind to everyone, even when it's hard. I think it's really important to treat people with respect and think about how my action affects them. As a student, ethics is a big deal every day. It affects how I study and how I get along with my classmates and teachers. When, like I, I said before, doing group projects, it means I do my part and don't let others do all the work. It also means I'm honest about where I get my information and give credit to the people whose ideas I use. Besides schoolwork, ethics also affects how I treat people. It means respecting different opinions, even if I don't agree with them. It means being supportive and kind to my friends and classmates and standing up for what's right when I see someone being treated badly. And I think that's gonna be my answer to that question.